Now, surgery can have permanent effects, but it has a significant amount of risk. So Botox is the most common way we're treating it now. Most patients see a large amount of sweat reduction in the area of 80 to 90% of sweat for 6 to 9 months after injection of Botox into the troubled areas.
I did not know that was gonna hurt like that.
You are a champ. Well, you just had 50 injections.
I am a G. Okay.
You are a G. You just had 50 injections. When we're treating someone with hyperhidrosis of the face and scalp, I'm very specific in asking where they have symptoms. For instance, today our patient complained about excess sweating in the forehead and behind the neck. So we treated that with the Botox being injected along the hairline in the front, in the forehead, and along the scalp in the back.
So after 6 to 9 months, do you think that I will generally sweat less, or do you think it'll just be full throttle like I used to?
No, it doesn't turn on and off like a light switch.
I see.
The sweat glands get smaller with time as not being used, just like any other muscle we have.
I see.
If you don't use it, you lose it. But they will grow back. So we do repeat the injections every 6 to 9 months. So the first 24 hours after we inject Botox for any reason, we ask people not to go in a sauna, hot tub, or whirlpool. I ask them not to exercise as well. These increases in blood pressure can move the product around, so we try to limit their increases in their body temperature for 24 hours.
The ones on the neck too.
Done. You're done. You're done. That's it. That's it. You graduated the program.
I just got units all done to around here on my head and the back of my neck over here. I am just like, yes, sweat, bring it on, okay? I want to see how good this is going to be working. I'm going to be vlogging the next few days and just keeping you guys updated, so watch me sweat less. Good morning, everybody. It is the day after the procedure, and as you can see, I really don't see anything. You know, there's no kind of like marks that, you know, like an injection was there or anything like that. I felt zero pain. After the procedure was over, I felt nothing. Last night, slept fine. It's really not that intrusive, which I really like. I was a little hot on the train yesterday, and I was sweating a little bit, but again, it takes 7 to 10 days, so I don't know if it's working yet. But I did feel like I wasn't sweating as much, but that might be in my head, but I'm not sure. But yeah, all in all, today I feel good. So it's officially, 10 days after the procedure, and I went to the club over the weekend, and I don't go to clubs often, but I did go this weekend, and I was sweating, but I wasn't sweating as much as I was before. I actually was super embarrassed to go clubbing for a while because like it's so hot in a club, everyone's pushing into you and I'm always sweating, and I'm just like, I'm just not gonna go because nobody wants to feel my sweat on them. But like going this time and not sweating as much was honestly like bless. You know, so I was at the gym and I was working out and I was sweating a lot, but I always sweat a lot at the gym because I work out so hard. But anyways, so I don't know how to compare it to like regular life because I do feel like at the gym I sweat much more. But in regular life, it is definitely much better. I'm wearing like a pretty heavy, you know, winter jacket. It's cold outside and it's raining. And I was so hot when I got to my meeting. But as you can see, definitely not sweating a lot around here. Like usually I would just be like dripping, like the kind of hot I was, it was like I was just wearing too much clothing, this thing doesn't breathe, and usually I'd be just like dripping sweat, and I wasn't, and honestly, so grateful, so grateful. Hey everybody, it's Ellie here, and it's been about 2 weeks since I've gotten my injections from Dr. Neinstein, and I think overall, for anybody who's suffering from extreme sweating, hyperhidrosis like me, it's not the solution to the problem. Just getting injections around your head is not gonna stop the sweating. But I think it definitely will help you sweat less, and it's definitely helped me. I don't know if it like psychologically, whatever, but every time I do get hot, I'm like, I'm not gonna sweat as I usually do because I have injections, and it just makes me feel better. We all are human, we all have our things, so don't be embarrassed about it. If you out there and you have hyperhidrosis, whether it's in your pits, your arms, your feet, your head, back, butt, whatever, know that you're not alone. Thank you so much for being on this journey. Shout out to Refinery 29. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.